Hi everybody, Jackie Caps here, and I'm going to show you really quick and easy how to link a Google Form assessment to an interactive Google Slides presentation that you can teach off of or students can work through at their own pace. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our Google Slides presentation. And it should look familiar if you've seen my video on how to build an interactive Google Slides presentation. It is the same one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here in my last slide. I'm going to right click and click on duplicate slide. And then I'm going to type in assessment up here at the top. And that's just to remind me that this is my assessment slide. We're going to type in some more information here in just a minute. And that, I'm going to make a note, that is slide number 7. So I need to come back up here to my main menu, slide number 1, and I need to make a button for slide number 7 that indicates that it is an assessment. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert a text box right up here in this blank spot. And I'm going to fill the text box so it looks like a button. And I'm just going to pick this light blue color, and I'm going to make a thick line around it, and I'm just going to type the word assessment, and then I can come up here and align that in the center. Awesome. There's my assessment button. Now all I need to do is select that, right click, insert link, slides in this presentation, slide number 7, apply. Now we go into presentation mode. That should take us right to that assessment page. Awesome. So what we want to do is get that link on that assessment page. So come down here to slide number 7. That is our assessment slide. And let's say a little test your knowledge. Take the assessment. And then I'm just going to highlight that word, right click, link. But then what I need to do is go over here to my Google form. I need to go to send. Click on my little link button up here next to the envelope. And then I can highlight the link. I just click on it, it highlights. Press copy, and then go back over here and copy that link into that box there, select apply, and there you have a link to that Google form in the presentation. So real quick, let's go ahead and see what this looks like in presentation mode. We're in presentation mode. We go learn, we go back, take the test, click on the link, and here we are in the Google form. Say I'm in the blue group, next, and it takes me to that question. If I go to the assessment and I select the red group, next, it takes me to the red group test. So there you have it, an interactive Google Slides presentation with a LinkedIn assessment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.